OBA Construction Cam here with one of our board members, Jay Dodson of Mestizo Construction. Good morning, Jay. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Doing well. Can you tell us about Mestizo Construction?
Well, Mestizo Construction is a small residential rehab company, and basically we rehabilitate houses, do foundations, kitchen remodels, bathroom remodels, stuff like that.
How long have you been in business?
We've been in business about 5 years now.
Fantastic, fantastic. And how'd you hear about the Oakland Builders Alliance, and why did you decide to join?
Well, I used to be on the board to the Hispanic Chamber of Commerce, and Carlos Pozzola was also on that board. And he was telling me about developing the OBA. So basically the situation was, prior to the OBA, anytime a project came up for approval in Oakland, whether it's a medium-sized project or a big project, you could be guaranteed that there would be opposition. And I don't care what kind of project it was, whether it's for senior housing or it's for luxury condos, whatever your project, there was going to be opposition. So what in effect was happening was, anytime it went to the city council or the planning commission or the staff, all they heard was no. And they heard no very loudly from about 20 or 30 or 40 people, which obviously don't represent the 400,000 people that live in Oakland. So I think OBA was developed to counteract that, put together a group of professionals in the construction industry, as either contractors such as myself or architects, engineers, developers. So it's put together so we could offer an opinion as to whether or not a project is good or not, so that the city would have something to judge on, other than just a lot of people saying no.
Gotcha. And where have you seen most of the delays with the permitting and plan check process and inspection process with the city?
Well, from my perspective as a residential contractor, the longest delay can be plan check. You put together a set of plans and you submit it to the city, and if they have to take it under review, then that can be very time consuming. It can be several weeks. In some cases it's even been as long as a couple of months.
And where do you see the city making improvements?
Well, they need to find a way to streamline the plan check process. You know, if you can go in with a set of plans and do it over the counter, that's great. But if you got to wait, then it drives up the costs. You don't know when you can get started. The homeowner gets antsy. They might back out of the project, and if they back out of the project, then everyone loses. The city loses on fees, and the contractor loses. So we need to find a way to streamline that.
Thank you very much, Jay, for your time.
Thank you.